Hi. So what we are going to do today is kind of start up on what you need to make a mug rug. Now mug rugs are different sizes and shapes. Some are square, some are rectangle, different things. Some can be even circle. We're going to do a square today. So we're going to need a backing fabric, and I've already pre-cut an 8-inch, check that, no, a 7-inch piece of batting, square, and I've got a 9-inch backing. And we're going to do a couple of things. We're going to have two 3.5-inch squares, and then we're going to need 8 2-inch squares. Now, as you can tell, these are not 2-inch squares yet. These are 2 by 3.5. So these are part of my bricks, but I have a lot of the green, so I am going to do a green themed. It's got a little green running through here. This green, the back screen, a green themed mug rug. So I am first just kind of laying them out. I want them to be lined up. I already know they're 2 inches this way. We need 2 inches this way. So I'm going to cut 4 at a time. Since they are even, I'm going to have to cut them row by row. Now I can lay on top of each other, and I've got to make sure that they're not creeping one way or another. Come here. We will. Okay, so I'm going to line my ruler up by one of my ruler lines. And you notice I did not cut until my hand was on top of it, okay? Because fabric likes to ripple, and it will definitely ripple across a quilt. Now, I like this square because I can just rotate. This is a 2-inch wide ruler, which is very good. Normally, I don't like small rulers because I have, if you see my finger here, I have a lot less on this side, flesh on this side, than I do on this side, because I have cut this twice. And one of them was because of this ruler here. So I'm very careful. I never put my finger more than halfway across here. I have learned. So I have not moved my ruler, so I am already set for this side. I'm going to, there, make sure they're off and cut before I let up. I do not want to shift that ruler until I make sure that they are all cut through. Otherwise, I'm going to have to cut again with this. And it's easier to go by the side of the ruler rather than pull it and do that little edge. So now I have 2, 4, 6, 8 2-inch squares. Okay, that is it for the cutting right now. Woohoo! Let me get the sewing machine set up, and we'll go on to the next piece.